Hello everyone and welcome to Plus Equal. So today I'm going to teach you how to download and install Epic Games. So in your favorite browser, search for Epic Games. You will see the main website for Epic Games, press that, and the first thing we need to do is download. So we have downloaded Epic Installer, let's open it up, let's press install. Now Epic Games is already updating itself, so give it a second. And now we are asked to log in. So log in your favorite way. So I have logged in using Google, and as you can see, you can link up your Xbox, PlayStation Network or Nintendo account, which is very cool. I'm not connecting anything now, I'm done linking. And there you go guys, we are inside Epic Games. You can see already the free games right here. If you press it, you can already go and explore anything you want. You see that it's pretty empty. What we need to do in the next tutorial is actually install Unreal Engine. We will do this in the next episode. I hope that this short tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you next time. Stay awesome!